How to add NGL link to your Instagram story. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to add NGL link to your Instagram story, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my NGL app, and now I'm going to click where it says copy link. Perfect. Now I'm going to go back, and now I'm going to go into my Instagram app. So when I'm in here, then I need to click on the plus symbol in the top right corner. And now I'm going to click where it says story. So in here I need to click where it says camera. And now when we're in here, then you're going to click where it says, it's basically like a big A and a little a. So click there. Perfect. And now we need to click on the emoji symbol in the top, like in the top middle. So scroll down just a little bit and then click where it says link. So when you have done that, then you need to paste the link that you just copied. Perfect. And now we need to click where it says done in the top right corner. Perfect. Now we have added the NGL link to our Instagram story, and you can also move it around if you want to. And yeah, you can also make it a bigger or smaller. So basically just play around and yeah, fix it however you want it to be. And when you're done, just click where it says your story in the bottom left corner. Perfect. And this story is now, yeah, it's now there, as you can see. So we have now added the NGL link to our Instagram story. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a great day.